Use Taylor series method to obtain power of x minus 4 for the equation 5x into dy by dx plus y square minus 2 is equal to 0 such that x naught is equal to 4, y naught is equal to 1, and use it to find y at x is equal to 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, correct to 4 decimal places. That is your problem. So solution is, that is your Taylor series expansion. That is y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square divided by 2 factor into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube divided by 3 factor into y triple dash of x naught, and so on. So what is the data given? That is x naught is equal to 4 and y naught is equal to 1. This is the initial condition for this differential equation. So okay, what is y of x naught is equal to y naught? Y of 4 is equal to 1. That is your initial condition. Substitute the value of x naught in your Taylor series expansion. So it becomes y of x is equal to, in place of x naught substitute 4, y of 4 plus x minus 4 into y dash of 4 plus x minus 4 whole square divided by 2 factor into y double dash of 4 plus x minus 4 whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 4. So this is your Taylor series expansion when substitute x naught is equal to 4. So when what we want now, so what is the value of y of 4? We need to find what is the value of y of 4, y dash of 4 and y double dash of 4 and y triple dash of 4. Okay. So what is y of 4? Y of 4 is equal to 1. So we need to find y dash of 4. For that, consider the equation, the given equation 5x into y dash, that is dy by dx plus y square minus 2 is equal to 0. So substitute x is equal to 4. So we need to find y dash of 4. So since y dash is equal to y dash of x, 5 into, substitute the value x naught here, that is in place of x substitute x naught, 5 into 4 y dash of 4, since this one, this note, plus y of 4 whole square minus 2 which is equal to 0, 5 into 4 20 y dash of 4 plus what is y of 4, 1 minus 2. Solving this equation to y dash of 4, it becomes 1 by 20 which is equal to 0.05. Understood? Next what we want, y double dash of 4. Okay, differentiate that given equation with respect to x and substitute x naught is equal to 4 in place of x. Okay, 5 into, so this equation 5 into product rule, x into differentiation of this, it becomes y double dash plus, what is differentiation of x, 1 here, y dash plus 2 into differentiation of y square is 2 into y dash minus differentiation of that constant is 0 which is equal to 0. Substitute x naught is equal to 4 in x. So it becomes this, since y double dash is equal to y dash of x, it becomes 20 y dash of 4 plus 0 plus 0.25 plus 0.1 which is equal to 0. Solving this equation to y double dash of 4, it becomes minus 0.35 divided by 20 which is equal to minus 0.0175, which is this is the smallest value. So as we further continue, y dash of 4, it becomes very small, so neglect that term. Substitute this value, y double dash of 4 and y dash of 4, y of 4 in a Taylor series expansion, it becomes y of x is equal to 1 plus x minus 4 0.05 plus x minus 2 whole square divided by 2 plus into minus 0.0175. Okay, in question what they mentioned, we need to find x at 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. so substitute in place of x 4.1, it becomes 1.0049. Similarly, substitute in place of x 4.2, it becomes 1.0097. Similarly, 4.3, 1.0142. This is your problem.